Okay, guys, I have something to show you. I've been wanting to do this for so long. Okay, here we. Here, I'm gonna search on my TikTok account. Wait, no. Oh my god. No. Okay, there we go. This is what pops up. Oh shoot. Well, this doesn't work. No. This is not what I want. I want like. What? Like it said like watch the news thing. Like this is like turning out so weird. Videos. Images. Well, this is the video of me. You see? But this keeps popping up. I don't get it. Rated images. Well, this turned out horrible. So this is why you shouldn't search up yourself on TikTok. Well, no, that's not TikTok. I want to go through my screenshots. Wow, this one was bad. I want to make a movie out of them, but I don't know if they're good enough to make a movie out of them, of my 2021 Royale High experiments. So I've been taking a whole bunch of screenshots just to, oh my gosh. I think that one's okay. It's okay, I guess. This one I liked, third place. I was AFK, so I didn't change my outfit. Okay. I guess they're okay, I guess. Then this one was yesterday, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that was last night. Yeah, it was 10:50 a.m. You can see my mouse was right there. Whee! No. Okay. So do you think I should make a movie out of these? How about I go in and take some more screenshots? No, I don't want that. Roblox. What's this? Should I take some screenshots in here? If you don't know how to take a screenshot on a MacBook Pro, I'm on a weird MacBook Pro. I'm not really I don't really like MacBook Pro so much, but it's Command Shift 3. And then you'll hear like a ding thing. Here, where's my friend? Ellie? Where are you? Where is she? I don't even think she's in the game anymore. Is she in here? Do I wanna like, how would I? No, I wanna take a screenshot here. Oh my god. Command 3. Oh, male. No, female. No, it's female. Let's see. Stacy. I don't know. I really don't know anything about this. Kind of might be like, just meet Murray 5. Not it. Have 15 fire, 40 call game. Oh my god. I just want to take screenshots, y'all. Oh, I'm Lena. Oh, it's this game. Oh, well, I'm glad I'm not. Yeah. Oh, I'm not. Oh, shoot, I wasn't reading. Gosh, we want to play this, so you. Yeah. Wait, restart. I'm gonna see if she's actually playing. Yeah, she is. How about I take some photos and adopt me with my pet? Alexa, set a 10-minute timer.
10 minutes, starting now. By the way, if you need more time, just say snooze when your timer is ringing and I'll add another 5 minutes.
25. Okay. Okay. How many stars do I have? 270. I need 10 more and I'll get the trumpet. Yeah. Bruh. Are you? Don't talk to me. Wow, there's a lot. Come on, just film. Delete time.
Timer cancelled.
Alexa, a 5-minute timer.
5 minutes, start now.
Starting to think people don't like Frost Fury so much. Because, like, basically got one, and now, like, they're underrating them. And, I swear, if this guy named Nick, and his username guidance comes, and he's gonna be like, come your friend here, Nick's pork, and he's give me some pet. I already reported my raid because I gave him free pets. I gave him like Megan. I gave him all sorts of good now. And then we still have pets after he started. No, I don't. So, like, are you kidding me, Nick? His mom's here at my... My mom and his friends are really good friends. Am I gonna tell her? Do I tell her? Do I not? Wow, well, legendary. Clap, 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 clap. Obviously not clapping, I'm clapping. Bruh, wouldn't think I would clap, and I'm gonna read, not read, YouTube, sure. Okay, see. Oh! Like, there's no, okay, there you go. It's everybody, where, like, and you have this one name, and then you never change the name, and then you name everything the same thing, every single Roblox game, and then when you get an Izzy, you name Izzy. No. And then you name other robot in username, Izzy and Jonah. Yes, you're making a YouTube video. So would you please leave?
I'm gonna join you.
What? Oh my god. I'm getting. Wait, no. Let's see. How am I getting?
Can you teach me to those thingies?
Shoot. So cool. 2085M. Wait, no. Not 385. Oh.
Now I'm hiding.
What do you want?
Following you. Now I was hiding behind that tree.
Jump if it's you.
I'm jumping right now.
That's not you. I'm jumping.
Jump! You jump!
Let's even see if you're in. Go here, friends. Offline. Alright. Leave game, leave.
Will not let me join Roblox.
And now I'm gonna end the video.
You're really, really, really stupid.
Okay, this person, I added her in, no, not pending, well, I added her in Adopt Me because she asked if I could trade her, but I had to leave because I had to do chores, and then she never joined again. I want to delete you, but you're gonna get so mad at me. You're gonna go, Jojo, why did you delete me? Oh shoot, Alexa, shut up. Okay, Ellie, Nick, Jonah, Ellie, wait, no, Isis, Ellie's brother, Kira, Sophia, Deacon's cousin, one of my friends, Isis, Lachlan, and then Wild Rider, who I have no clue who she is, because what are my friends?
I have a lot more.
What are my friends?
I have more.
What are my friends? Are you tuber? They're what are my friends? Are you a tuber? They have lots of subscribers. I don't know. What you should you need.
I love you, Declan.
MEAN. No, not one.
I love you, Declan.
I don't know what you. What the heck? I don't know what you mean. There we go.
Every kind of game, it just won't let me play every kind of game.
I haven't played Pet Heroes for so long. Never noticed how rich I am on there. Okay, let's see. What's the game? Oh, Takura's Tower. I'll play that in my next video. Ooh. Okay, yeah, bye.